Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at this point we are about to welcome a highly anticipated and a new entrant into the clamshell foldable phone industry, the Vivo X Flip. However, ahead of its official announcement, we got a live hands-on image of the Vivo X Flip, which seems to be the marketing material revealing the design of the device. And you might remember the last month we got Vivo X Flip renders, and now this leaked image provides that the renders we got earlier were quite true. So as we can see, the Vivo X Flip will have a circular camera module containing the Zeiss logo and camera sensors. It will have two camera sensors, a 50 megapixel main paired with 12 megapixel ultra wide. Below the camera module, we can clearly see a landscape cover display which appear to be bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, arguably one of the best cover display on a clamshell. Same goes for the main display, where it will have a slightly bigger 6.8 inches main screen than the Z Flip4. Another thing here is that near the camera island, we can spot the diamond pattern design, which actually looks interesting. Meanwhile, we can confirm that the Vivo X Flip will also come with the purple color. The Vivo's Flip phone will not use the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, rather it will use the one step down Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is also an impressive chipset made for the flagship phones. The Vivo X Flip is set to carry a whopping 4400 mAh of battery, which is great because with such foldable phones, bigger batteries are tricky to adjust. Like even after the 4 generations of flip phones, Samsung is still at 3700 mAh of battery. So what do you think about the Vivo's first ever clamshell phone, the Vivo X Flip? Especially share your thoughts about its design. The Vivo X Flip will share the stage with the Vivo X Fold 2 on its launch day. By the way, the Vivo X Fold 2 is already unboxed before the launch event, and if you want to check it, click here. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.